The dash criterion can be used to construct a triangle given the length of a side and two angles. You have a side and two angles. So remember, whenever you're looking to construct a triangle, you have to be sure that there is a unique triangle. But with this information, you can draw only one triangle. Given three metrics of a triangle, the best way to worry about, be sure that you have the unique triangle, so think about congruence. You have SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. If you're given three sides, we can draw a triangle. If you're given two sides and the included angle, you can draw a triangle, a unique triangle. Two angles and the included side, we can draw a triangle. Given right angle, hypotenuse and side, we can draw a triangle. In this case, we've been given length of a side and two angles. So side and two angles, the possible congruence idea we are using is ASA. That's what we're looking for. AAA does not establish congruence. Side, we have been given two angles and a side. It is not RHS. It has to be ASA.